The recently launched Galaxy S24 Ultra is packed with a wide range of exciting new features, and one of the most talked about ones is Galaxy Eye feature. While we've already heard about its impressive scratch resistance, it seems that the screen may have some issues, particularly when it comes to colors appearing washed out compared to older models like the Galaxy S23 Ultra. A thread on the Samsung community page has been buzzing with S24 Ultra owners reporting this problem. The original poster reached out to Samsung UK's customer support, who attempted to diagnose the issue using the Smart Tutor remote diagnostics tool, but unfortunately without much success. Some users, including the original poster, speculate that this could be due to the new Gorilla Armor screen. In addition to being Corning's toughest Gorilla Glass yet, Gorilla Armor significantly reduces reflections on the S24 Ultra. Since this is a new addition exclusive to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, it's not unreasonable to suspect that it may be the cause of the washed-out colors. However, there's good news. Samsung support has acknowledged this bug and assured users that it will be addressed in a future software update. Although the exact release date of the fix remains uncertain, a Samsung USA employee in a separate thread suggests that it could be included in the company's February update. So, it seems that the solution to this issue may not be too far off for the Galaxy S24 Trio. Meanwhile, the device has received high praise from DxOMark for its exceptional camera performance, although it narrowly missed claiming the top spot. However, what truly sets this device apart is its unparalleled display quality, which has been recognized in the evaluation. DxOMark, renowned for its comprehensive assessments of smartphone features, has awarded the Galaxy S24 Ultra an impressive overall rating of 155 points. This places it just 1 point ahead of the previous leaders, the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro. It's worth noting that Samsung has implemented an outstanding anti-reflective coating on the screen, greatly enhancing readability. Additionally, the increased PWM frequency effectively reduces screen flickering, resulting in a more comfortable viewing experience. When it comes to specific subtests, the S24 Ultra smartphone achieved an impressive 156 points for the display quality of moving objects. Furthermore, it secured a remarkable 161 points for readability, setting a new standard in this parameter with the previous record standing at 162 points. The acclaim for the Galaxy S24 Ultra's display highlights Samsung's commitment to delivering cutting-edge technology and elevating the user experience. This device not only meets industry standards but surpasses them, solidifying its position as a top-tier smartphone with a display that sets a benchmark for excellence. As consumers increasingly prioritize display quality in their smartphone choices, Samsung's emphasis on advancements in this crucial aspect positions the Galaxy S24 Ultra as a formidable contender in the competitive market. So, what are your thoughts on the display of the latest S24 lineup? Share your opinions in the comments section below, and don't forget to stay tuned for more updates. Check out our channel for the latest news. See you in the next one. Peace out.